This is my new high-frequency analyzer. Got this little antenna on top. And I'm in my parents' kitchen, my dad. Let's see, it's low, but what happens when I go right outside the front door? What happens? Look at those numbers. That's biological damage. Okay. And what could this be from? Well, let's take a look. What do you think? Point it up there, let's see. It'll pulse. Okay. Well, I believe that's coming from right up there, those antennas. And there used to be a hospital, now it's some apartment building. They put an antenna on top. We went from helping people to making them sick. Because this is all hot spots here. Suki, she's getting microwaved. These are hot spots all in the front. And it's funny, if I go around the corner of the house, the numbers will come way down. All I have to do is stand a foot by this trestle, which blocks a lot of it, so we got 100 and plus. Watch what happens when I walk a foot over this way. It's all going through my body. Your body, too. Everybody. And little Suki's body.